At a staggering cost of $13 billion, the USS Gerald R. Ford supercarrier is not just the most expensive aircraft carrier ever built, it's a revolutionary marvel of military engineering. Leading the charge as the largest, heaviest, and most powerful aircraft carrier in history, this floating fortress is primed for deployment, ready to project American military dominance across the globe. Designed to counter any near-peer adversary, including Russia and China, the USS Gerald R. Ford has now proven its resilience in the ultimate test of combat readiness. The carrier recently completed the third and final explosive event of the full ship shock trials, FSST, in the Atlantic Ocean, a rigorous assessment that left the world in awe. These trials push new warship designs to their limits using live explosives, ensuring they can withstand the unforgiving realities of battle. During this 4-month ordeal, the Ford-class flagship endured 3 colossal underwater detonations, each unleashing a staggering 40,000 pounds of explosive power. The blasts were detonated progressively closer to the carrier, simulating the harshest combat conditions. And yet, the USS Gerald R. Ford stood firm, proving its unparalleled durability and operational resilience. The Navy designed the Ford-class carrier using cutting-edge computer modeling, extensive testing, and precise analysis to ensure it can withstand the harshest battle environments, stated Captain Brian Metcalf, Program Manager for the Navy's Future Aircraft Carrier Initiatives. Beyond its combat readiness, the shock trials demonstrated a meticulous balance between military preparedness and environmental stewardship. The Navy adhered to stringent environmental mitigation protocols, ensuring the safety of marine life and compliance with migratory patterns of protected species. A dedicated team of scientists, biologists, and observers worked tirelessly, scanning the seas with high-powered lenses to detect marine activity before each explosive event. Coordinated efforts across multiple Navy organizations and the Naval Sea Systems Command, NAVSEA, ensured the trials were executed flawlessly, with safety as a top priority. Mariners were warned to avoid the test area, and comprehensive protocols were in place to protect all personnel involved. These trials mark a critical milestone for the USS Gerald R. Ford, the first in its class. Since its commissioning, the ship has closed out an 18-month post-delivery test and trials phase, during which it underwent extensive upgrades and testing. It also served as the East Coast's sole platform for carrier qualifications, setting the standard for the future of naval aviation. Representing the first major redesign of aircraft carriers since the 1960s, the Ford class is built for the future. With state-of-the-art technology and a modernized air wing, CVN-78 is equipped to dominate complex maritime environments and deter near-peer adversaries. As tensions between NATO and Russia simmer, the USS Gerald R. Ford stands as a testament to American innovation, strength, and unyielding resolve. The world is watching, and the message is clear. The U.S. Navy is ready for any challenge. As the USS Gerald R. Ford sails into the future, it carries not only the weight of its $13 billion investment, but also the hopes and strength of a nation. With every shock trial completed and every test passed, this supercarrier cements its legacy as a symbol of unmatched power and innovation. But this is just the beginning. Stay tuned as we bring you exclusive insights into the Ford-class carrier's cutting-edge technologies, behind-the-scenes stories from the brave sailors aboard, and updates on the next chapters of this maritime titan's journey. The seas are unpredictable, and the stakes have never been higher. Are you ready to witness history in the making? Hit that follow button and join us as we continue to explore the incredible world of naval dominance. Adventure, power, and innovation await. Don't miss out.